Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about setInterval and clearInterval in JavaScript. First of all, what is setInterval and why we use setInterval? setInterval is used to perform a specific task at the time of interval that we provide in millisecond. Okay, now here we can use it for animation, and we can use for some specific tasks also, like when we want user wait for some time, then we use setInterval. Okay, now it required two parameter. First is function name, and we define the function in JavaScript, and after that time in millisecond. And here I'll tell you that 1000 millisecond is equals to 1 second, and similarly 2000 is equals to 2 second. 2000 millisecond is equals to 2 second, and so on. When you provide 500 millisecond, it means half second and 0.5 second. Okay, now after that we have clearInterval. clearInterval is used to stop the animation or the setInterval. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement setInterval and clearInterval. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement setInterval and clearInterval. For that I just create a document. For that I create index.html. Within this I provide a div, and after that I style with the help of style tag, and after that I link JavaScript with the help of script tag. And you can see from here the file format. I have folder, and within this folder we have index.html and script.js. Okay, now after that I just use setInterval, and after that I provide a name of function anim, and after that comma, and I provide the timing 1000, and after that we use semicolon. And here I define a function anim, and after that I provide here round braces and then curly bracket, and here I use console.log, and after that I provide here bro learner, and after that let's save. And here we have to come and just go to the inspection. You can see we have some value here 78. Just I refresh. First it print the bro learner, and after that it repeat. That's why it increase the counting. Okay, now after that I just use here a variable var a equals to 0, and after that I just increment in this function a equals to a plus 10, and after that I just remove this, and here I use a. Now let's save. You can see first it print 10, then 20, then 30, and then 40. Now after that we target our element. Here we have test id. Okay, now here I use semicolon, and after that I use document.getElementById, and here I provide the id test, and after that I use dot style dot margin left. I want to move this box toward the right, that's why I provide margin left, and after that I use equal, and here I use the same variable a. I just use a, then concatenate with pixel px. If you are not providing this pixel, it will not animate. Okay, now after that I just use semicolon, and now let's save. you can see it move towards the right. If you just provide 500 millisecond, now let's save, you can see the speed is much faster than the before. Okay, just double you can see. And after that, if I provide here 10, now let's save, you can see it will goes and so on. If you using, you cannot find. Okay, this is too fast, and here I just use 100. Now let's save. This is something like moving of a snake in a snake game. Okay, now after that if I just want to change the styling, for example, I just want to increase width of this width, and after that let's save, and here I provide 500. Now let's save. You can see width increase and goes on and on. Okay, it will not stop. Okay, now after that we have to just use, we have to provide a variable var, and here I use interval equals to this, and after that we use here if condition. If a equals to 200, then clear interval, and after that we have to provide from where we have to remove the interval. I just use interval, and after that we have else part, and in else part we paste this. We have to paste this. Now let's save. You can see it increase. Here you can see it stop. You provide here margin left, now let's save. It move to the right till the 200 pixel. You can see here it stop. If you provide here 500, it moves to the 500. Let's save and just increase the speed 100. Now let's 100 millisecond. Here you can see here it stop. Similarly, you can provide set interval and clear interval. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.